Hello. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to enable dragging of a window by its client area using mouse interaction in C#. Variable declarations. Initial pointer X, initial pointer Y, coordinates of the mouse pointer when clicking on a control. Window start X, window start Y, initial coordinates of the window when moving. Ismoving, a flag indicating whether the window is currently being moved. App W, an instance of the app window class, representing the current application window. Importing the getCursorPos function from the user32.dll library. This function retrieves the current cursor coordinates. In the main window, constructor. Getting the window handle, HWND, and its identifier, WNDID. Getting an instance of app window using WNDID. Event handlers pointer pressed, pointer moved, and pointer released for the main grid control. In the main grid pointer pressed method. Capturing the mouse pointer and getting its current coordinates. Setting the initial window and mouse pointer coordinates if the left mouse button is pressed. In the main grid pointer moved method. Getting the current cursor coordinates. Moving the window according to the difference between the initial window coordinates and the current cursor position if the left mouse button is pressed and the Ismoving flag is set. In the main grid pointer released method. Releasing the captured mouse pointer. Resetting the Ismoving flag.